Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. TGIM pandas. Thank God it's Monday. Monday. Welcome to the stream. It is time. It is time, pandas. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for joining, everyone. We are just tumbling here. I hope everyone had an amazing weekend. You're currently watching Bye Bye Money. Streaming every single day live, the Emini. 9:15 a.m. for the mainstream. Just finished the pre-market show, which starts at 9 every day. Pandas. Good news and bad news. Bad news first. Counts got busted. We were so close to getting withdrawals too. So close to payouts. It's the payout curse. I have yet to break the payout curse on the stream accounts, and it's just a matter of time. It's a when, not an if, pandas. Good news is we got brand new PA accounts here. We got 4 brand new ones, and we're fully funded again. We are just staying funded here, and I'm not gonna even try to go through the evals here. I've already done that multiple times on the stream. I'm just gonna trade the funded accounts that I have, and I have 4 new ones here that we're gonna trade, and one new rule, pandas. You may not like it. We're going to be trading micros. I know. It's a punishment I'm going to do put on myself. Probationary periods, to say, until we can stay profitable for a long time. And try to get through it. I'm going to try to do it. It might be 1 month. It might be all December trading micros. And next year we might start these accounts again with Emini. And I'm going to try. And also, December, typically, it's a wacky month. We got a lot of holidays. And so, it's a wacky month. Gonna try to keep it calm, cool, collected, trading the micros. And I'm going to be trading the 5-minute a lot more. I'm going to kind of stray away from the 2000 tick chart. And I'm going to be trading the 5-minute. Black Light Gypsy, good morning. Bill 7, reminding everyone to scalp that like button. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. As always, it helps the channel out a lot. We're so close to 20k subs, pandas. 20k subs. We are about 12 subscribers away. Just 12 subs away to getting to 20k, pandas. 20k. Good morning, pandas. Kyle, good morning. Perfect morning for him. Happy Camper, good morning. Wayne Bignell, good morning. Ralph Runs, good morning. Are those 4 new accounts? Yes, sir, and they're fully funded. Avalon FPS, how did you get your new funded account so fast? Well, pandas, I'm telling you, when I tell you to stock up on BBM90 accounts, I mean stock up. And I put money where my mouth is. I stock up on them as well. And on the side, while I trade my funded accounts, I always make sure I have some evals ready to go. And I typically just trade them up to when they pass. And once they pass, I just have them ready. So make sure you guys stock up on evals while they're cheap, because now they're okay. They're 71% off, but obviously 90% off is better. So while it's 90% off, I say just take advantage of it. Stock up on them. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Kyle says, I need to learn how to scale into micros better. This will be helpful. Yep. Will Curtis, I'm doing the same. M&Q. Lawrence, good morning. Happy Monday, guys, girls. Good morning. Lee A, good morning. So yeah, we're gonna stick with micros, and and a lot of 5 minute trading, micros and 5 minute trading. That's kind of what I'm focused on, and it might not be your cup of tea. You might be used to just the 2000 tick chart, but we're going to be focused on 5 minute chart and trading micros. The nice part about micros is that you can scale in. You can scale in easier, and you can have runners easier. So I'm going to be implementing a lot more Albrooks here. And again, this is just for me to get better, and I'm going to use this month to get ready for next year. And I don't care if I don't make a lot of money. That's not the point right now. The point is just to stay consistent and profitable. And that's the goal, pandas. That is the goal. That is always the goal. But we're gonna try to get better by doing that. So yeah, I know for you guys who've been watching for a long time, I've traded micros before on this channel. It was a while back the last time I did this, but I have done this before. So we're kind of doing what I used to do, but we're gonna get back to it. So it's just, I'm just telling you, on Friday it was very tilting. A lot of things happened to make me tilt, and no excuse. I ultimately failed to stick to the plan, and I got punished for it. So it is what it is, and that means I just got better. And this is why I'm trading micros. A probationary period for myself. We got Big Mama approaching here, but this is way overextended, and I will just let this bounce off this area. I could care less if it does break through right now. It's way too overextended, and if it does go through, you gotta let it bounce back, breathe a little, and then maybe a second attempt I'll try. I'll try it, but first attempt not like this. Market's not even open also, so I mean it could smash right through it, but right now most likely it's gonna act as some sort of support here because of how extended this is. Cheeseburger seems to me that Big Mom's been giving, yeah. So not only that, everything that could possibly have happened to make me go until on Friday. One thing is the pressure, right, to get paid out. I was so close to payouts. I was like, let's just get some payouts. We got some good trades here. As you know, on stream, this Big Mama fails. This Big Mama is successful, and I was in this trade. And it takes me out. Like, look at this little spike down. This spike down. Well, first off, it all started off with the tick shot right here. I got tick shotted with this little spike down here. Tick shots me and then goes the way I want it to go. That was on stream. And I lose also the Big Mama here. Super frustrating. And then I enter. What is it? Well, I actually take the second entry long here as well, and it stops me out and then goes up for the scalp. And that was another thing that made me go on tilt. This Big Mama does trigger, and I was in this Big Mama, and it takes me out perfectly break even, and then it's blast off. It happened with this one bar, and I remember very clearly when this bar was printed. It printed in 1 millisecond. Printed 1 millisecond, took me out, and then went up, bounced up. And so I was just like, why? What just happened? Super frustrating. And then it just at that point the counts were pretty much on their last leg, and I couldn't salvage them. There's just too many things that happened, that's just went against me, and it is what it is. I mean, I called yesterday to be a strong bull day, like I thought it was gonna be, and I was just waiting for it, but it got way too congested for too long until finally it went the way I wanted to go. I mean, it was, I was waiting for it to blast off several times. 10,000 tick chart, I thought I was going to do it here. I tried to get an early entry around here, and it got stopped out early, and then it kind of sinks down again. Then finally, towards the end of the day, basically after Jerome Powell started speaking. No excuses though, pandas, and for that reason that's why I'm trading micros. It's tough. It's tough. Rock Russell, are you still developing a strategy or indicator for me? Yes, it's in testing phase. I have a bunch of people testing out Big Mama Auto Strat, and having them asking them to try several different configurations. you know, and report on any bugs. So we're in the testing process right now, and we will, you know, once that's done, then it will be available for you guys. Staying away from the 2000 tick chart, I'm going to be trading more heavily on the 5-minute chart, mainly because, well, a couple things. 5-minute chart, it's not that necessarily is less risk. It's just a little more reliable than 2000. Not a little more. It's a lot more reliable than 2000 tick chart. 2000 tick chart is a very, very small time frame, and so I'm going to be trading the 5-minute. I'm going to kind of try to put on like quote unquote easy mode if there's such thing. And if there is such thing, then why not only trade easy mode? You know. And so we're gonna try to trade 5-minute chart exclusive here. The reason why I'm looking at 2000 tick chart right now is because the 5-minute chart is not. There's nothing printed on the 5-minute chart yet, and it's gonna open down here, which is a huge gap. It's a very big gap that's gonna open on the 5-minute chart. It's funny because the 5-minute chart right now actually looks. It actually looks decent. It's just an incredible move down right now on the 5-minute chart. Market's about to open in 1 minute. So pandas, hey, we're starting something new here. We're gonna just try to be profitable. We're gonna stick to the plan. That is the goal. That is the goal. The single goal right now. Stick to the plan. And we're gonna be trading. We could trade second entries on the 5-minute. I'm gonna trade always in long, always in short on 5-minute chart as well, and also inside bars on the 5-minute and reversals, traps, obviously. Market's about to open. Okay, market's open. Oh, I thought it opened way down here. It actually opens here. That's kind of interesting to me, because we're at the low on. Interesting. Oh, you know what? It's because the low hasn't been printed yet. Because on the first candle, these lows should be printed honestly after the OL should be printed on that bar close H10. Okay, so here's the low. Huge move down, very far away from 20 MA. So we are in micros right now, and the reason being is because I want to be able to scale in. I want to be able to take wide stop losses. I want to also be able to have runners. Let's see how the first candle prints on the 5-minute chart. I'm not eager right now to enter because we're so far away from 20 MA. It's actually hard to go short here, and you want a little bit of consolidation. No, these are all. I know it's the curse. It's the payout curse. It's the payout curse. It gets crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. These are all funded accounts though. Good news, pandas. Honestly, I mean we'll get there. We'll get right back to it. It usually takes me about 2 weeks to get to payout, but it's gonna take me a little bit longer this time for sure because we're gonna trade micros.
$10,000 tick trap.
The goal of my trading right now is not to get rich. It is not to get rich. The goal right now is to stick to the plan, and I think I may do this for December. It's just to stick to the plan, and we're gonna be trading small. We're gonna be trading only micros. I don't care how much money I make. I just want to be green and profitable and consistent. That is the goal of micros trading, and this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna put myself in this probationary period until probably for 1 month. Probably for 1 month for December, month of December. Okay, the first candle on the 5-minute chart. Just letting it form here. Pandas, how you guys doing? TGIM. Thank God it's Monday. Back to trading, back to doing what we love most, back to the best community on YouTube, verified. We're on the Emini here. Every single day. 9:15. Vegas Futures, good morning, good morning. Kyle, good morning. Peter Cho, good morning. The goal right now is not to get rich, pandas. The goal right now is to be consistent and profitable.
$10,000 tick trap.
And honestly, if you don't like this, I do not care. I do not care. My main goal is to be the best trader I possibly can be. That's my main goal. And sometimes this is what you gotta do. You gotta take things slow, take a step back, get a reality check here. Getting a big bounce, right? The first candle on the 5-minute chart looks like a pretty strong bull bar. It's insane. 2000 tick chart is just doesn't actually trigger Big Mama here. 10,000 tick chart basically bounces off here. 5-minute chart. We're just getting a strong bull bar. Ending near its high, possibly. We got a big gap to fill. I mean, if we have a solid bull bar here, you can just buy it if you want. It's very reasonable to buy. But typically I like to wait for a couple candles. Especially on the opening bar. It's very difficult to know which market cycle we're in. We could be, it could be this and then it could just completely reverse. It's about 50% chance that it just completely reverses here. Super strong bull bar ending on its high on the 5-minute chart. That's as bullish as you can really get. You sit on my pause though. I want more candles. Maybe 2 bull candles. Then I might go long. Wide stop. No follow through. We need follow through on this bar if you really want to go long for always in long trading. Need some sort of follow through. Right now it looks like there's poor follow through. Right, it wasn't buy. Right, you can tell the moment this bar closed is sold. So people had limit orders here. People had limit orders at the close of this bar, rather than so they had sell limit orders here, rather than buy the close. You can see by the price action what had happened here. People waited for this bar to finish and just sold it. They wanted a pullback from this big move down. It's a scary bar to go long in though. Look at this bar. Like, I mean, it's a scary bar to go short in. Like, you gotta have some serious cojones just to go short right there. I just can't do it. But people are doing it, obviously, and making thousands of dollars by doing so. Thousands of dollars by just shorting right there. Potentially already scalped out. Good morning, Pants. Good morning, good morning. I understand this may not be your cup of tea, because you're wondering, you want that fast-paced 2,000 tick only type of trading. Pandas. I do not care. I simply do not care. Strong bull bar ending near its high. Look at the MES and the ES. It's actually a little bit different. Right? This is the ES and this is the MES. It actually looks a little bit different. If you guys didn't know, the MES and ES, the MES basically is a derivative of the ES, but they're not exactly the same. This is completely own instrument, and the way they make it balanced, like the way they make it like equal to The ES is through arbitrage. So through arbitrage, you can have slight discrepancies between the two. But for the most part, they're the same, right? If it was really not balanced, then that's a huge that's huge imbalance, and the arbitrage there'd be too many people trying to make money off of that, right? The difference between ES and the MES, there's just too many people who take advantage of that. So the arbitrage keeps things balanced. Okay, so strong bull bar, printing a pause bar here, big. So about the 50% mark of this bull bar, you have people buying. So bulls were waiting for the 50% pullback, and they bought with limit orders here. Bears, they sold here, now bounced off here, probably thinking it's gonna keep going up, and they may get stopped out. For me, what do I want? Pause bar, like I want to follow through. That's what I'm looking for. If I wanted to go long here, I need follow through here. Right, to create some sort of spike in channel and try to get into the bottom of the channel. That's kind of the plan here. You can buy this pause bar if you want, but typically you wait for about 4 or 5 bars to see what market cycle we are in.
$10,000 tick trap.
Good morning, Pandas. Hope you guys are doing well. Ruben Morera says, your money comes first. Already think it's amazing there's a stream like this. Let's go, baby. That's exactly right. Okay, always in long traders. Bought the close of this bar. Hoping to get another leg up here. Hoping one more leg up. Right, strong bull bar, you're thinking, well, at least one more leg up. I, on the other hand, am just waiting for about 5 bars to print here so I can get a better clue of what's happening. Right, this big bull bar here, but no follow through, so mixed signals. We're just waiting now. Right, these breakout areas are important to look at. Right, this breakout area here. Usually, these breakout areas show like institutional trading, essentially. Because really, institutions are the only thing that move the markets. Retail traders do not move the markets. And so when you see a big breakouts like these, this is an important spot for institutional traders. Right? Institutions all decide to come at the same time. Okay, kind of an inside bar here. Hans says, if you're trading the 5 minute, you need to wait for 1 hour to get a picture of the structure. No one got time for that. No one got time for 1 hour. If we get a bull bar here, I'm buying. If this is a bull bar, I'm buying. Got 2 more minutes for this candle to finish. Okay, finally getting follow through on this bull bar here. I would need some sort of bull bar here to buy. Second entry short being created on 10,000 tick chart. Okay, this is why you gotta wait for the bar to finish, because who knows how it'll look like. A lot can happen in 1 minute. A lot can happen in 1 minute. This can be a completely bearish bar by 1 minute. Show says, by the way, days like this are my favorite trading days. Huh. Curious. But 40 more seconds for this bar to finish.
10,000 tick trap.
Second entry short on the 10,000 tick chart. About to form here. But what a bounce. What a bounce up. I've seen crazier things happen. I've seen crazier V bottoms. I've seen it all. At least I think I've seen it all. When you start thinking that, you'll see something new. But history loves to repeat itself here. Okay, people are buying the close here. I'm surprised they're buying the close here just because it's a little bit confusing on this candle. It's not very clear to me that we are always in long. Even though it's a bull bar, people thought that was enough for them just to buy the close. You can tell it's buy the close because the moment this bar finishes, people bought here, creating just a small tail here. You can tell by the falling bar, if there's just a small tail here, that they just bought it. They just bought the close. Some came in with a small retracement, 1 tick retracement. No, people just buying the close there. To me, it wasn't strong enough bull bar to make me really want to go long. But obviously, there were traders here who thought it was good enough, and they just bought it. They just bought. And yeah, so That's not what I'm. This is not a thing that I feel like was enough information for me just to buy there. Obviously, it was enough for some people. What are the setups I'm looking for right now? I'm looking for consecutive bull bars or consecutive bear bars and buying at the close if I feel like it's a trend day. If it's trading range day, then you can sell near the top of trading ranges and buy the bottom trading ranges. If you see a second entry short, you can always take it on the 5 minute. If you see a trap, definitely try to take traps on the 5 minute, especially if it's a good setup. On the opposite side of the 20 MA, you have major trend reversals, double tops. You have a lot more versatility here, but the rule set is not very let's say concrete. Probably the most concrete one is always in long trading. And I'm trading micro, so I'm not afraid to really just trade basically any always in long trade. The reason why it's very difficult to trade always in long on the Emini is because the risk is just too much exposure for how little drawdown you have. So, but with micros, you can trade always in long, and it'll be just right actually, probably just the right amount. Just a straight up V bottom, right? It just opens as a strong bull bar. Following it, a couple bull bars, and we're just trying to reprice action right now. Second entry short still about to form on the 10,000 tick chart, which to me makes it seem like it will trigger the second entry short. Let me show you what I'm seeing. All right, 10,000 tick chart. A, B, C. Second entry short here on 10,000 tick. Coming off the 20 MA too, on a strong downtrend. Right? It'll be basically the first pullback on a strong downtrend. is giving me credence to think we're gonna come back down here. But for me, you know, unless I think this is a trading range, I'm not gonna just sell here. I'm going to look for a reason to sell. Maybe 2 bear bars. Kellyanne red so far. Welcome, guys. Good morning. Let me say good morning to a couple of you guys. You guys are rolling in. Iron Cruz, welcome. GC Burke, welcome. Welcome, guys. Turtle Toes, welcome, welcome. Iron Cruz, Blue Steel, welcome back. Good to see some familiar names here. Kelvin Kwok. Is it Kwok? Quatch? I don't know. Quatch? Hansman. I'm not trying to make fun of your name. I really just don't know. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Mark. Aweles. Aweyes? If I try to be too foreign there. Arweyes? David Marcelino. That sounds like a Italian name. Good morning. FZN, good morning, welcome. Strong bull bar. Again, it was by the close right there. Very surprising to me. Got to roll the R. It's Portuguese. Ah, Marcelino. Okay. Hey, they're pretty close. Portugal and Italy.
10,000 tick trap.
Okay, second entry short about to trigger on 10,000 tick, and it's a trap trade as well. There's a Pikachu. I almost like that 10,000 tick chart trade, just to go short here. Maybe I'll take it. Gonna go short here. Bull bar. You got to get at least a 1-to-1 risk reward here. This is basically a 10,000 tick, second entry short. I haven't set my charts up to really do MES. Like I haven't done the overlays yet. I might do it off stream here. You gotta get at least a 1-to-1 here to make this trade worth it. Hold up. Oh, I'm on the wrong chart. I'm trading ES contracts, pandas. Oh no! I messed up. I messed up big time. Oh no! I made a mistake. I'm not used to it, pandas. I'm not used to it. I'm not used to trading MES. I straight up just traded on the ES. Oh no, this is gonna just rip my face off. Trap trade, 10,000 tick chart. It looked like a really beautiful second entry short. So I'm not even mad taking this trade. I'm just mad that I took it on the ES instead of the MES. I made a big boo boo, pandas. I made a big boo boo. And it's just completely reversing here. It's all good. I think it's a good trade though. I mean, it's a strong push down, and I almost feel like I got to trade ES contracts now just to make up for this loss. Pandas, I'm back into it. This is terrible. The good thing, you know what? But the thing is, I didn't have my trade copier on. Trade copier is only on for the ES or MES, so I didn't copy that trade. It completely reverses and traps here. It's wild. That's a wild trade. It's a wild trade because the outside bar starting to create a trading range possibly here. The 5-minute chart, jeez, does take me. Pandas, what do I do here? I mean, I didn't copy this trade across my accounts because I'm not copying ES, which is actually a good thing at the end. But pandas, man, that completely reverses on me. What a tricky day. I mean, what a nice looking second entry short, beautiful looking signal bar coming off the 20 EMA here, and it creates an outside bar reversal. That's just wild. This is just asking for a tricky day. It's just asking for a tricky day, in my opinion. And that was 4 points essentially, 4-point stop loss. Exactly 4-point stop loss. So if I'm going 1-to-1, I basically have to look for 4 points on the other side. Am I looking for a V bottom here? I don't think so. This outside bar makes me a little bit more hesitant. Outside bar here, making things tricky here. Man, but what a good trade. I mean, what a good setup. Second entry short, coming off the 20 EMA here. Does it actually tick shot me there, though? That tick shot on the 5-minute chart. Jeez. I mean, I don't know any other way I would really manage that trade. That trade, there's no other way to manage it other than the way I just did it. And, it is what it is. This looks like it's going to turn to a trading range now. Darn. Pandas. What in the world was that? What a... Alright, I won't make that mistake again. Jeez. What in the world? Got outside bar. Creating an IO pattern.
$10,000 tick trap.
Come on, guys. It was a mistake, all right, pandas. It was a mistake. I'm trying to trade 4 accounts, but it was a mistake. Okay, pandas. You know what? Look at this. Now it's going the way I want it to go. It does an outside bar reversal, takes you out, and it kind of goes the way you want it to go now. That is just funky. That's really funky there. I don't like that price action. That's really funky price action right there. Jeez. I mean, it was a good setup. Everything about it was nice, and it just does this. It does this nonsense. That's sick. That's pretty sick, in my opinion. Sick, sick, sick. This outside bar is making things confusing. Either it's telling me trading range, or we're getting choppy in this area. One or two things. If it's trading range, then we can sell here, get to the bottom of the trading range, maybe trigger Big Mama as well. Okay, if this is a strong bear bar, I might just go short. Thinking we'll come back to the bottom of this bull bar. That's annoying. Right, you go short here. Actually, pretty decent setup. You know what, pandas? This actually ends up being a second entry short on the 5-minute chart. A, B, C. Because it did an outside bar reversal. Okay, it reaches the goal. It reaches the target that I wanted to reach only after tick shotting me. The tick shots continue, pandas. It just never ends, pandas. Never, ever, ends the tick shotting. I might as well only trade one account. I'm thinking about it now. I'm like, maybe I just trade one account because if the goal right now is to be in probation and just stick to the plan, then maybe I should just trade only one account. I'm gonna buy sell a strong bear bar here, and also take Big Mama here as well. Got one more minute though for this candle to finish. Who knows how it'll look like? How annoying is that? I mean, honestly, it like the 10,000 tick chart. It does a beautiful second entry short. It does an outside bar reversal to tick shot, and then it just drops like a rock where I thought it was gonna. What I thought it was gonna do. Oh man, Pan. I mean, is it too early, Pandas? Is it too early to feel this way? Is it just too early already, Pandas, to feel this way? Oh my god. I already feel tilted. I'll post the timer on my I'll post it on the Tulip Pullback website. Slight pullback here. Trying to sell this bear bar here. Sell a bear bar and looking for a. I mean, you could look for a 1-to-1. It's a big swing trade. It's a big swing trade if you're looking for 1-to-1 here. You're basically trying to break the previous day's low at this point. I'm basically taking a gamble here. Like, do I think we're gonna come down here or come up here? Okay, bulls are just buying here. Let's see. I'm a strong bear bar ending on its low. I'm thinking there might be follow through here. Remember, we are actually in a downtrend, Pandas. We're actually in a downtrend because we're beneath the 20 MA. So we actually have more. We have some selling pressure here still. Thinking, or we can come back to the 20 MA. One or the other. Maybe I should only trade one account at a time, just because we are basically in this new period of just trying to be profitable, consistent, and green as many days in a row as we can. It's a wide stop, but also big reward. Right, it's a 1-to-1 here. Okay, so let's let this bar finish. I'm gonna let this 5-minute bar finish and see what happens. From the quality of the bar, I think I'll figure out what I want to do. If it's like a straight doji bar, then maybe just get out. Or definitely a bull bar. Does not feel nice. Trying to decide, should I get out? If it's a doji bar or bull bar, just get out. Or thinking it's a pause bar and just push down. This looks too bullish for me. I'll wait for another candle. If we get another bull bar here, I'm out. My mistake with this big bear bar was not waiting for confirmation, right? Big bear bar, you're thinking follow through. There was some follow through, but the confirmation, if I really wanted to for a swing trade, is wait for another bear bar here. And right now I'm trying to basically do like a swing trade here. If this is a bull bar, I'm out. If this prints a bull bar, I'm out. If it prints a good signal bar, I might scale in. So wait for this bar to finish. I can get a better idea what's going to happen next after this bar is done. Okay, this bar seems a little bit confused, right? It doesn't seem like the market knows what it wants to do here. Right, kind of the big bull bar, big bear bar, but no follow through on either bar, right? No follow through here immediately, no follow through here immediately at least. It looks like a bull bar is trying to print here. Okay. If we break the low of this bar, I'm going in with another contract. The 5-minute chart actually showing a big trading range here. I didn't realize that until now. Okay. Pushing higher here. Looks like a limit order market, entering a limit order market of some sorts. Right. Created by this outside bar here. You can see, big bull bar, no follow through, big bear bar, no follow through, outside bar here. The price action is starting to look like a trading range type price action. I just wouldn't be surprised if we enter a trading range at this point. And if that's the case, where's the range? I mean, all you have right now is this range here. So thinking maybe get back to the bottom of the range. Possibly creating another outside bar reversal here, showing you how confused the market really is. I think this might be a big drop here. Right, it's a second entry short on the 5-minute chart. It's a Pikachu trade as well. Two contracts here now. Just like here, how I create an outside bar reversal, it might create another outside bar reversal here. I think this has more room to go down, to be honest. I think it wants to break this low here of this wick. But overall, it feels like it might just be creating like a triangle of some sort. It just looks congested. I don't know. Let's see. I want to see how this candle finishes. If it's a strong bear bar, I might just sell again. If it's a strong bear bar. If it's a strong bear bar, I might just sell again, pandas. Might sell the close here. Yeah, not bearish enough for me. Let it finish. 6 more seconds, 5 more seconds. This is an outside bar. Confusion. Right now we have the inside bar, outside bar, then breakdown, then the inside bar, outside bar. See which way it breaks down. It could break up now. It could pretty much do anything at this point. It's just so confused, right? Creating these two outside bars makes me definitely feel like we're entering trading range. I think this is a proper stop loss of this outside bar because you're in breakout mode now. Okay, we broke the bottom of this outside bar, which is good news for shorts, for bears. Because you're in breakout mode, OI pattern or IO pattern. You're breaking the bottom of the outside bar, creating a breakout here, which is nice. Jeez. Couldn't get out. Let this bar finish. Alright. M's out, break even for the day. Alright, now let's trade MES contracts, pandas. Which is what I should have been doing from the beginning. Goodness gracious, what's wrong with me? I'm down like 12 bucks. I'm down 12 bucks. It's all good because of commissions. Alright, this price action is very confusing to me. Big bull bar, big bear bar, right? Outside bar reversals, outside bars here. Just makes it feel like trading range. It means buy low, sell high type price action. I just don't know where to buy low, where to buy, or where to sell high. Again, I was scared because of that price action. It makes me feel like we're entering trading range. So I'm not sure how much further down we're really going to go. But we did end up breaking the low of this wick, which is what I called for, and we end up doing it. Basically, anything down here is a reasonable buy. Anything up here is a reasonable sell at this point, I think. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably buy if it creates a bull bar to go long. I mean, that's kind of what I would wait for. I don't think I'm just going to... I don't know if I could buy with a limit order in this area down here. Just because I feel like there's not enough information yet. It has... Right, it's giving us signals we're confused here with all these outside bars. There's big bull bar, no follow through. Big bear bar, no follow through. So it just seems like there's no conviction in the market right now, at least from the price action. But I don't know. We're still in a downtrend here, so. Ooh, ending on a strong bear bar here. Looks like okay, pretty strong bear bar. Ending on pretty strong bear bar. There's 2 consecutive bear bars now. Something we see here, 2 consecutive bull bars here. Right, bull, and no follow through. Almost looks exactly the same as what happened here to down here, which is almost like where it brings us back to the same spot. Right, big bull bar, pause, bull bar, reversal, bear bar, pause, bear bar, reversal at the bottom of the trading range, if this is a trading range. Almost looks exactly the same, just inverse. Would I take Big Mama here? No way. No way. Not in a trading range like this. Pandas, let's take a quick look at news. I'm pretty much break even. I mean, technically I got hit by some commissions, but we're going to trade some micros. After thinking about it, I think trading micros, it makes sense to trade on one account. Like, if the whole goal is just to be profitable, consistent. I'm trying to think. It makes sense. It makes a lot of sense. It sucks for you guys because you guys would see me just trading one account, and it's very little money being made on the account or lost. But I think for this month, I may have to, like, you guys already seen me multiple times almost get the pay, even get the payout city, and then leaving it shortly after, and it just happens so many times. I'm just like a little bit frustrated myself. I think I need to take a step back and Keep poker. Do I ever trade NQ? I don't. Oh, can you hear it? All the dishes? Yeah. Okay, looks like we're making our way down now. Continue to push down. 2 consecutive bear bars here. I'll surprised say this is a reasonable close, but I'm just looking at here and seeing the outside bar reversals being printed, big up, big down. Thinking we could have a trading range. It looks like we're about to trigger Big Mama here. Lone Man says made a 1 to 2. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, this big move down is kind of what I wanted with this big bear bar, right? This is what the range was here. There's your 1 to 1. There's a 2 to 1 down here. The 1 to 1 might be reached. That's a swing trade target. If I was trading micros, I think I would have just stayed in there. But I'm not trading I wasn't trading micros, pandas. I was trading. When I saw the first tick, I saw why am I up $12.50? I knew something was wrong. It should be $1.25, not $12.50. We might reach the first swing target here, which is a 1 to 1. Bare minimum. It's actually a scalp target. But your risk is so big. We did trigger Big Mama here. hard to go long. It reached the 1-to-1. We might hit our blue box here. This blue box I drew from this breakout area. We may try to fill that gap essentially. Bear bar, bear bar. If I had my micros, I probably would have held this trade a little bit longer. It's just I was way too exposed on this Emini. Bear bar getting some follow through now. Could be a bear trend day today all day. Possibly. Avalon FPS pass eval. Let's go. Congrats. That's nice. Passing an eval with that one move. That's nice. Ends up just being a second entry short, right, on the 5-minute chart. That's what this dark red number means. Especially with the Pikachu trade, the magenta box around it. It's a really good setup. Just on the 5 minutes. Right? It's a second entry short on a 5-minute chart. Ends up being a very powerful move. What got me was essentially these outside bars, right? Outside bar here and another outside bar here. And tick shots me. Actually, tick shots me on that 10,000 tick chart. How frustrating is that? Right? Tick shots me. I go short. Tick shots me, and then it goes the way I want it to go. It just all those things combined made things feel very confusing for me. It's strong bear bar ending on its low. If you're looking for a reversal here, you need some signs of reversal. Maybe a good signal bar at least. Multiple bull bars, right? Two strong bull bars ending near their high. Nice bounce off support here, which is this blue box. Right, a 1-to-1 was made on this 2 bear bars. People who sold here. Even if you sold the bottom of this bar, let's say that. Yeah, that's exactly where this bar ends. Bear bar ending on its low. Just follow through. Doji bar? Okay. Kyle L killing it, congrats. What's a tick shot? Tick shot. Something we coined here on this channel. It's when you get stopped out to the tick. Right, 10,000 tick shot. I went short here. I had my stop loss up here. It takes me out by the tick, shoots me right in the tick, then reverses. So tick shots me. I think it should be. I think it should be widely used. It makes so much sense. Tick shot. Am I looking for any long trades here? Not really. So many bear bars in a row. It's like I'm not really looking for a long trade. Like if anything, I should just keep selling. Problem is, we're so far away from 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart, and all these outside bars here made me feel like big up, big down. Made me feel like we can make a trading range type day. It just made things confusing. So to go short here, essentially trying to go short at a potential bottom of a trading range of some sort. Al Brooks will probably just say sell, sell, sell here, sell here, sell here, sell here. Just keep selling, and then know that you can come out break even eventually. Just imagine Al Brooks will say. Ooh, want to bounce up. Interesting.
$10,000 tick trap.
It's confusing. Market was telling me trading range up here. Now it's telling me we're trending now downwards. So those two things compete. What do you do? Confusing. Black light. Oh no. I don't know what got into me today. I'm about to lose an eval that was passed, and all I had to do was flip a micro. Ooh, that's weird. Ouch. Okay. Pushing down. Still all bear bars. Not really looking to go long at all. Unless with limit orders. Like Albrook says, sell here. Even sell here.
Tick trap.
And you make money. You just made money somehow. Even selling here. Even with this reversal about to happen. Still made money. Sell here, he says. He would say, just sell here. Sell anywhere, everywhere. YL, has anyone ever traded while having diarrhea? I'm afraid I have an open order, but suddenly needed to go to the toilet. Whew, that is a bad time. But I'm not gonna lie. You know, when nature calls, it calls. There's nothing you can stop. You can't stop it. It looks like it might be trying to turn to a trading range here. You got two overlapping bars now. Right, people selling limit or buying limit orders down here, selling up here. It's just the bear bars all look very bearish, right? And there's a lot of follow through here. No reversal has happened yet, so it still seems very bearish to me. FSN says YL laptop. Lawrence says YL market's about to dump. That's a new strategy. Bodily indicator. Bowel movement indicator. If you feel like you're about to explode, the market most likely will explode as well. People buying limit orders down here, selling limit orders up here. So it seems like
10,000 tick trap.
still pretty bearish in my opinion. Limit orders being sold up here. Limit orders being bought down here. You can see with the price action, we started to get into a trading range here. I don't know. It's a really tight trading range though. More confusion. Hmm. Sell, sell, sell. Imagine if you're a bear here selling all the way down here. You start to see this price action, what would you do? You would feel safe, I think, if you sold again somewhere up here to come out break even from selling down here. That's how I would feel. Absolute slop fest right now. Slop chop fest. We're gonna have to touch the 20 EMA eventually. Either we reverse up to it or we go sideways and the EMA catches up to us. Bars getting smaller and smaller and smaller here. What in the world is happening? This is getting so choppy. All right, we had this many overlapping bars in a row. I'm not necessarily excited to take a trade here. Your guess is as good as mine. What's going to happen here? OI pattern. OI. Buy here, sell here. Whichever side breaks first. Actually, I'm going to enter the trade once it triggers, just because of the MES. What in the world? What in the world? Can I just stay away from this? Because it's so choppy? Markets went into absolute chop. 4 overlapping bars in a row. I mean, it's breakout mode for sure. No. Definitely limit order market here. What is happening? We'll try this inside bar. Or not. What the heck? Pandas. What is this? Alright, this is a micro trade, Pandas. It is a very small trade. We'll look for a 1-to-1 here on this inside bar setup. These inside bars are typically good on trendy days, but on choppy days like this, it might just continue the limit order market where you sell up here, buy down here. So there might be a lot of sell orders here on this inside bar. But let's try. Let's try. OI pattern, breakout mode. It looks like to be the case where it's actually just should have just sold here at the break of the previous candle's high, continuing this limit order market shown by all the wicks and tails here for the last 30 minutes. So probably better if I just wasn't looking for some sort of breakout or reversal here. If I had just continued the pattern of selling up here, buying down here. Yeah, so in a sense, I should buy down here, to be honest, to come out break even, but I'll just take the hit. And it's a micro contract, so it's like I lose $11. $12, something like that. All right, get hit. So down 12.50. All right, Pandas. You know, we gotta basically at this point have a plan. We're just trying to stick to the plan, essentially, Pandas. We're just trying to stick to the plan at this point, and we're not trying to do anything fancy. We're just gonna stick to the plan and take these small setups and take swing trades, trade micros, and the 5-minute chart. And I think that's what I'm gonna try to do for the next couple of weeks, just because I've been so close to payouts multiple times with you guys. If something happens, price action gets funky, I start getting tilted, and it's just a combination of all these things. It's just really, really difficult. So, I'm just, yeah. The stream may suffer, but Pandas, my trading is what's most important. So, it is what it is. It is what it is, and you can watch. You can watch. You can join. Right, the trading will be the same, but we'll be trading just much smaller. So, Pandas, I think that's it for today's stream. I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday. Have an amazing weekend. I'm gonna restore that mental capital. And right now, BBM 71% off. I hope you guys take advantage of it while it lasts. And obviously there's better promos out there, but Apex has had better promos. But right now, we'll see how long it'll take to get another nice promo. But really, it just depends. We don't know. So Pandas, at least we got 71% off, and it's not the worst. We got 50% off resets, which is really nice. But all that being said, Pandas, have an amazing weekend. Hope you trade safe, trade well, and stick to the plan. That's what we're gonna try to do from moving forward from now on. And I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday, 9:15 for the main stream and 9 o'clock for the burger show. And with that being said, Pandas, happy trading. God bless. Bye. My bad. I don't know why I thought today was Friday. I'll see you guys tomorrow, bright and early. Might be. One more time. Bye.